This message is broadcast at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 10:15 p.m. several rioters have been seen around Dubs Arena. This is thought to be caused by the New York Islanders' loss in overtime. These rioters have weapons such as cleavers and knives. If you see rioters enter your home, use lethal force, and call 911 from a safe distance. This is a follow-up to the alert issued about 2 hours ago. The rioters' suspects have been captured. You are free to exit your shelters. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. This concludes the EAS activation. Thanks for watching.